This is Sarah Jean with the AU Write Site, and today I'm going to show you how to create footnotes when using Chicago Notes bibliography style in Microsoft Word. You'll need to give a citation for any paraphrase or quote in Chicago style, and a page number is also always given for both. Note you'll want to place the footnote after any punctuation at the end of the source information. So at the end of the sentence, this means after the period, not before. So make sure your cursor is after the period and click the References tab. Then, under Footnotes, click Insert Footnote. You'll see that superscript number appears after the paraphrase or quote. Now, I'm going to start typing in the footnote information. And make sure that the notes are in the same font as the rest of the document. The completed note will contain the author's name, followed by a comma, and the title of the source. This is a book, so the title is followed by the publisher and the year in parentheses, then a comma, and finally the page number where the quote or paraphrase came from. And in Chicago, you should indent the first line of the footnote, which you can use the Tab key on your keyboard to do. For your next footnote, follow the same steps, but be sure to add a blank space between the notes to make them easier to read. So press Enter between the notes to create that blank space. Here I'll add a shortened footnote, which you can find out more about in our other videos. Finally, the footnote will also have an associated bibliography entry at the end of the document.